Air Foamposite line stands as a cultural icon, uniting innovation, performance, and fashion since its 1997 debut. Known for its molded polyurethane upper and seamless futuristic look, it redefined basketball footwear with advanced cushioning through full-length zoom air and a carbon shank. The Foamposite Pro later enhanced its appeal with a bold swoosh and improved traction, securing admiration from athletes and sneaker lovers alike. Its popularity soared in the 2000s, reaching legendary status with the 2012 Galaxy release. Memorable additions such as the 2013 green Camo, featuring a camouflage upper, neon military-inspired accents, gum sole, and black eyestays, further strengthened its influence. Now scheduled for a 2026 overseas comeback at $240, the Foamposite continues to thrive as both a performance shoe and a fashion statement.